beautiful people, welcome to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create 10 amazing looking hairstyles for the holiday season, but you can wear them for every day as well, of course too. For our first half updo, we want to select our top crown section. Make sure everything is nice and smooth and tie it with a clear elastic. Then you want to select two sections from both sides of our crown section, bring them over and tie it. So again, we want to select two sections from both sides of ponytails created, bring them over and tie it with a clear elastic as well, like so. You can leave it as it is, but I'll add a bow to it to make it more holiday looking. For our minimalist bun, we want to gather all our hair into a very low ponytail, make sure everything is nice and smooth, and you want to tie it using a clear elastic. Now you want to make an opening and bring the ponytail through it. Then you want to smooth out your ponytail and halfway you want to tie another elastic. Now you want to bring this elastic through this opening again, tighten it, and then you want to bring it one more time through this opening. If your hair is long, but if it's not, you want to make the next steps. Basically, you grab the ends, roll it, and bring this elastic through this opening and pin it using 2 or 3 bobby pins. Make sure everything is nice and beautiful. Next one, you want to divide all your hair into 2 equal sections. Grab one of those, tie it with a clear elastic. Make an opening and bring the ponytail through this opening and repeat with section left. Make sure to loosen a little bit your crown section to make it beautiful looking. Then you want to grab a ribbon or a scarf. I have here a velvet ribbon and you want to tie it. If you want, you can make a bow with it or leave the ends out. Done. Next one, gathering all your hair into a middle ponytail. Make sure everything is nice and smooth and tie it. Now you want to simply make a 3-strand braid with this ponytail. Make sure it's nice and loose. If you want, you can pull a little bit your braid to make it voluminous looking. Tie the ends with a clear elastic. And bring the ends into the elastic of the base of the ponytail. You can leave it as it is, but I decided to add again my favorite bow to it. Next, you want to select your crown section. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Tie it with a clear elastic. And bring your half ponytail through it. Now, you want to bring again your ponytail through this opening. Tighten it to create this half loop hairstyle. Done! Next, again you want to select the hair above your ears like that and tie it with a clear elastic. Make an opening and bring the ponytail through it, creating a topsytail. Then remaining hair and also the ponytail divided into 2 and tie each of this section with a clear elastic. Then you want to braid each of this ponytail. and bring the ends through the base of the ponytails, and you want to repeat on other side. Now we have 2 braided loops, and then you want to bring one of the loops through another one, creating this beautiful effect of the bun. Make sure to use enough bobby pins to fix everything in place, and you're done. Next, you want to select your front sections, make sure they are long enough, bring them back, and you want to simply twist them around each other twice. Then you want to wrap remaining hair with these 2 sections and tie it underneath with a clear elastic. And you'll create this beautiful ponytail. Next one, we want to gather all our hair into a middle ponytail. And then you want to make a side opening and bring the ponytail through this opening, tighten it, and then halfway you want to tie again a clear elastic. Roll your ends and bring it into our bun like that and pin it at the base of your ponytail with several bobby pins. Here I decided to accessorize my bun, and also I'll add a headband that matches the scrunchie color, and done. Next, we want to select our top section, tie it with a clear elastic, and then you want to make an opening. You want to bring the ponytail through this opening, but this time halfly through, like that. Also, I decided to accessorize it using a claw clip. Next, gather again your hair into a middle ponytail, making sure everything is nice and smooth, and tie it with an elastic. Now, here you can use a ribbon or a scarf. I'll use again my velvet ribbon and bring it through this elastic, like so. The longer end of the ribbon, I'll use it to braid it, using it like a strand, and I'll make with the ponytail a 3-strand braid, incorporating the ribbon as well. Tie the ends with a clear elastic. Roll created braid around the base, grab your second end and bring it up, crisscross it and bring it down and tie it. Then you want to use some bobby pins to fix your bun. And you can leave the ends out, or you can make a bow like I did. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's holiday hairstyles. If you do, don't forget about like, subscribe for more hairstyles. But that's it for today. And you know, I love you so much and see you soon in my next hair video. Mwah! Bye!